We have news on the Phil Robertson versus A&E ongoing saga. The Robertson family has released an official statement. In part, it reads that Phil would never incite or encourage hate. With that in mind, we have new video of Phil Robertson giving his opinion of Jews.
They're full of murder, envy, strife, hatred. They are insolent, arrogant, God haters.
I'm sorry to interrupt. I'm sorry. He's actually speaking about black people.
They are heartless. They are faithless. They are senseless. They are ruthless. They invent ways of doing evil.
Okay, with that and the family official statement, we understand Phil would never incite or encourage hate. And this is absolutely horrible. I have no amount of apologizing I can do is enough. It turns out Phil was actually speaking to homosexuality in that last clip.
Women exchanged natural relations and were inflamed with lust for one another, and the men were inflamed with lust with each other. Women with women, men with men. They committed indecent acts with one another, and they received in themselves the due penalty for their perversion. They're full of murder, envy.
I'm sure now that we understand he was actually speaking about homosexuals and not blacks or Jews, we understand that in no way would he have been inciting or encouraging hate. With that being said, we return you to your YouTube, and we hope you have a good day.